Lesson Risk Analysis Tools. Risk analysis tools play a pivotal role in the domain of business analysis, particularly for professionals seeking certification as a certified business analysis professional. These tools and frameworks empower business analysts to identify, evaluate, and mitigate risks, thereby ensuring that organizations can achieve their strategic objectives with greater certainty. This lesson delves into practical risk analysis tools and methodologies, providing actionable insights for professionals to apply in real-world scenarios. By integrating examples, case studies, and statistics, we aim to illustrate the effectiveness of these tools in enhancing proficiency in risk management and analysis. Risk analysis begins with the identification of potential risks that could impede an organization's goals. One of the foundational tools for this purpose is the risk breakdown structure. The RBS is a hierarchical framework that categorizes potential risks into different levels, allowing analysts to systematically identify and assess risks across the organization. By breaking down risks into manageable components, the RBS enables professionals to focus on specific areas of concern, thereby facilitating more targeted risk management strategies. For example, a technology company might use an RBS to categorize risks related to software development, such as technical, operational, and market risks. This structured approach helps in prioritizing risks based on their potential impact and likelihood, enabling the organization to allocate resources more effectively. Once risks are identified, the next step is to assess their potential impact and probability. The probability and impact matrix is a widely used tool for this purpose. This matrix provides a visual representation of risks, plotting them based on their likelihood of occurrence and the severity of their impact. By using this tool, business analysts can prioritize risks that require immediate attention and develop mitigation strategies accordingly. A practical application of this matrix can be seen in the healthcare industry, where risks, such as data breaches and compliance violations, are assessed for their potential impact on patient safety and organizational reputation. By prioritizing these risks, healthcare providers can implement robust data protection measures and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. In addition to qualitative assessments, quantitative risk analysis tools provide a more objective evaluation of risks. Monte Carlo simulation is a powerful tool that uses statistical techniques to model the probability of different outcomes in a process. By running thousands of simulations, this tool provides a probability distribution of potential risks, allowing analysts to make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. For instance, in the financial sector, Monte Carlo simulation is used to assess the risk of investment portfolios by simulating various market conditions and their impact on asset returns. This enables financial analysts to develop strategies that minimize risk while maximizing returns, thereby enhancing the organization's financial stability. Another critical aspect of risk analysis is the development of risk response strategies. The risk response matrix is a practical tool that outlines specific actions to address identified risks. This matrix categorizes responses into four main strategies: avoidance, mitigation, transfer, and acceptance. By clearly defining these strategies, the risk response matrix ensures that organizations have a proactive plan in place to manage risks effectively. For example, a manufacturing company may use this matrix to develop contingency plans for supply chain disruptions, such as diversifying suppliers to mitigate the risk of material shortages. By having these strategies in place, the company can respond swiftly to disruptions, minimizing their impact on production and delivery schedules. Case studies further illustrate the application of these tools in real-world scenarios. Consider the case of a multinational construction firm that faced significant risks related to project delays and budget overruns. By employing a combination of the risk breakdown structure and probability and impact matrix, the firm identified critical risks such as regulatory changes and resource shortages. Using the risk response matrix, they developed strategies to mitigate these risks, including engaging with local authorities to stay informed about regulatory developments and establishing partnerships with reliable suppliers. As a result, the firm successfully completed projects on time and within budget, demonstrating the effectiveness of these risk analysis tools in achieving organizational objectives. Statistics also underscore the importance of effective risk management. According to a study by the Project Management Institute, organizations that implement robust risk management practices are 2.5 times more likely to achieve project success compared to those that do not. This highlights the value of integrating risk analysis tools into the business analysis process, as they provide a structured approach to identifying and addressing potential threats, thereby enhancing the likelihood of success. Furthermore, the integration of technology into risk analysis processes has revolutionized the way organizations manage risks. Advanced analytics and artificial intelligence tools now offer predictive capabilities, enabling organizations to anticipate risks before they materialize. For instance, AI-powered risk management platforms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, providing early warning signals of potential risks. This allows organizations to take preemptive measures, reducing the likelihood of risks affecting their operations. In the retail industry, AI is used to predict supply chain disruptions by analyzing data from various sources, such as weather patterns and geopolitical events. By anticipating these disruptions, retailers can adjust their inventory levels and distribution strategies, ensuring continued product availability. In conclusion, risk analysis tools are indispensable for business analysts aiming to achieve CBAP certification and excel in the field of risk management. By leveraging tools such as the risk breakdown structure, probability and impact matrix, Monte Carlo simulation, and risk response matrix, professionals can systematically identify, assess, and mitigate risks. These tools provide a structured approach to risk analysis, enabling organizations to prioritize resources and develop effective response strategies. Real-world examples and case studies further illustrate the practical application of these tools, demonstrating their effectiveness in enhancing organizational resilience and achieving strategic objectives. As technology continues to advance, the integration of AI and advanced analytics into risk management processes will further enhance the ability of organizations to anticipate and address risks, ensuring long-term success in an increasingly complex and dynamic business environment.